So now we are going to announce the most anticipated segment of the day, that is the Insightful Awards. First we have Soumya Mittal.
Yes, Soumya, my God. Soumya's parents are here. Thank you, ma'am.
Soumya
Thank you so
Mittal
much.
was
Big
a student
support.
of our very first batch when our academy was called Achievers Academy. Known for her honesty, she is responsible and has a remarkable ability to maintain balance in every endeavor.
Soumya, my God, that girl has so much clarity at such a young age. मतलब वो पोइट्री लिखती है. She is a deep thinker. उसका poem I have included. You just go through her poem on darkness, ignorance. How should I move forward? तीनों poem please उसको अच्छे से पढ़िए. She has written that in I think in 10th grade. She is a 10th grader. You must read everyone and just see how insightful these kids are. So Soumya Mittal has to be first awardee of most insightful student. Good luck, Soumya.
Ishita Gadi was a student of our very first batch when our academy was called Achievers Academy. Known for her diligence, she is resourceful and has a remarkable ability to excel in every endeavor. She went on to pursue her MBBS.
She was in 7th or 8th grade, I do not remember. I was literally shaking. But this girl was so innocently sitting and she was giving me the confidence, ma'am, you can do it. She was so innocent. She is still. So she has, given me the confidence, ma'am, you can do it. So one-on-one, I think we have taken almost 1 or 2 month ka classes. In the beginning, we didn't have many students at Achievers. So Ishita was my first, जिसने मेरे में confidence डाला. That was Ishita. Thank you.
Next, we have ma'am का सबसे तोड़ू बच्चा Vatsal Gupta. He was a student of our very first batch again. Known for his humility, he is well-mannered and highly competitive, always striving for excellence in every endeavor. He currently works at Alpha Grep, where he continues to showcase his exceptional skills and dedication.
Vatsal is not here. Still I have to mention. My God, वो बच्चा मतलब मैं किरचॉफ रूल की अभी क्वेश्चन ही लिख रही हूँ, वो करंट निकाल के दे रहा है मुझे. मतलब आई एम स्टिल राइटिंग द क्वेश्चन एंड ही इज़ गिविंग मी द आंसर जिसको मुझे खुद को सॉल्व करने में 10 मिनट लगेंगे. सो ही इज़ दैट सुपर स्मार्ट. ड्यू टू वत्सल माई इन्फीरियोरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स गॉन कि ये ऊपर ब्रेन का भी कुछ स्ट्रक्चर जो होता है ना, दैट ऑल्सो मैटर्स. ही इज़ जेनेटिकली ऑल्सो शार्प. Vatsal's dad, Ramesh Gupta sir, most of you all know, he is ex-wing commander. Yeah, Vishal Gupta, his mother is Dr. Rashi Taneja. All those were in the founder team of Achievers Academy. Okay, they have shifted now. They have shifted to Plaza City. So sir is little old. He's taking still classes. Online though, घर पे नहीं अभी, but Vatsal is doing, what shall I say, remarkable job. He's publishing research papers. He's just 22 years old, but he's so respectful, so down to earth, and he's so emotional also. He's still coming and calling, ma'am मेरा ये छप गया. मतलब उसका पेपर छपने के बाद continuously he's first telling me, ma'am मेरा पेपर छप गया है. So okay, good luck Vatsal. He's not here. I am taking on his behalf.
Next up, we have Ishana Nambiar.
Ishana Nambiar.
Nambiar.
She is also, yeah.
Ishana Nambiar was a student of our very first batch, known for her punctuality and driven by a healthy sense of competition. She is patient and resilient in all her efforts. She is currently pursuing her MS in Marketing Intelligence at Fordham University.
Yes. Ishana made me to, make the protocol so customized. वो customized test series, customized protocol, उसका वो first student Ishana थी. She was asking, ma'am, I'm memorizing 4 pages plus please first you know asked me question from these 4 pages. She was sitting with me, and she was very she was guiding me. Ma'am, can you prepare these simple notes for me? Can you prepare only this much for me? So that was Ishana. So Ishana is the reason of all customized protocol for each student and customized test series. She is also not here. She is abroad, but I really need to mention about her, of course. So I'm taking on her behalf.
Okay, now we have Neonika Ghosh,
Oh my God.
who was a student of our first batch again. Known for her discipline, down-to-earth nature and reliability, she's also highly obedient. She's currently serving as a technical advisor at Honeywell UOP.
Neonika, she is a born leader, I must say. उसको पता इतना clarity उसको पता है. She was not wasting even single minute. If she has come to write the test, she will just write, quickly finish it and go without wasting a single minute. She was ICSE student, and I know that ICSE में pressure बहुत रहता है. Like there is so much in SST. I think SST का geography का बहुत सारा chapter है, और इसका she was very good at memorizing. She was very good at mathematics and science. So Neonika is in Delhi. So but definitely she also asked like, ma'am, live streaming रहेगा तो I will be there. I don't know whether she is there or not, but I am taking on her behalf again.
Next, we have Rishika Pandey, who was a student of one of the early batches. Known for her
Is here. Okay.
Known for her exceptional focus and clarity in her goals, she is well-mannered and respectful. She is currently a dispute resolution
I
lawyer.
didn't see you. I don't know. Thank you so much. What shall I say? My God. She was one of the pet student. Many students were jealous of her. Yeah. They were saying, उसने बोलते थे, मैम आपकी favorite ऋषिका है. You don't know. मैंने कहा yes, because the clarity she had in 10th grade. Do I really need to say anything why she is most insightful, guys? Do I really need to say anything? This that's why she is the most insightful student.
Samyak Jain was a student from one of her early batches, known for being goal-driven with strong motivation and self-discipline. He's now working at Carrier Global Corporation, where he continues to excel in his professional journey. Guys, clap.
Samyak was definitely whatever she said, but I just want to tell Samyak's parents, okay, Chavi ma'am and Atul sir, my God. Okay, sir, you are here. Thank you so much. It's an honor. He is the author of a book called Welcome to You 20. Yes, right, sir? Yes. So he's everyone, please, for Atul sir. So we have an author here. Okay, so he is also working on societal development. So I think sir is explaining about the stock market as well. So he has one YouTube channel and all. This whole family is so enthusiastic, means they have so much clarity. वो घर का environment ही ऐसा है कि बच्चे ने ऐसा होना ही है. So they are always striving for growth. I have seen like sir keeps posting on YouTube, okay, about that. I am also following him. So when you see everyone is growing around, you are bound to grow. I think Samyak is that example of their perseverance and growth mindset. So definitely he has to be most insightful student.
Next, we have Brinda Puri, who was a student of an early batch, known for being well-mannered, respectful, diligent, and empathetic. She is set to pursue a master's degree in embedded systems.
See, Brinda was a kind who was looking, family only. Everywhere she goes, she wants like family type people. She used to cry. whatever she is not liking in the class, if it is not enjoyable. So she was a force behind, to make the class enjoyable. So she was very open, she was very empathetic. She was ready to help whoever was there in the class. She used to teach them. So she is in abroad, and so the mom is. So I'm taking on their behalf, Brinda, if you are taking, if you're seeing us live, this is for you.
Huge round of applause, please. Samarth Kanwar was a student of an early batch, known for his sharp wit and optimistic outlook. He connects deeply with others. He is currently in his 4th year of MBBS.
He is very witty. He is very witty. और ये बहुत शरारती है. इसको and at the same time he is super intelligent. थोड़ा पढ़ के भी बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स लाने वालों में से समर्थ. Definitely he is the most insightful student of Achievers or Catalytic Center.
Sarkar, who is a student of an early batch, known for being well-mannered, humble and genuine. He is respectful in all his interactions. He is currently pursuing MTech with a specialization in artificial intelligence and machine learning at SRM.
He is a resilient. I do not know whether you have included that word or not. I told that he is a resilient. Okay, after failing how to come up, how to stand again. So he is the example. Definitely, I deserve to, take this award on your behalf. Thank you, Tapodyuti.
Next, we have Ashi Agarwal, who was a student of the early batch and one of the longest duration students at the Catalytic Center. Known for her exceptional hard work and unwavering commitment, she is graceful and resilient. She is currently in her 2nd year of medical school.
Yeah, so she was very clear since 7th grade कि मुझे heart surgeon बनना है. She was very clear. Getting that much clarity at an early age, this is our responsibility, parents and teachers, कि तुमको क्या बनना है, उनको ये clarity कब आए. At least 9th and 10th grade तक वो clarity आ जाए. So she is one of that student. Whatever be the reason, she was very much, very dedicated, very hard working. जो बोल दिया वो exam उस दिन उसने लिखना ही है. She is one of that student. Definitely, Ashi Agarwal. She is very, very hard working, resilient, very well mannered, very respectful. So I'm taking on your behalf, beta.
Aditi Gaonkar, who was a student of the batch before COVID, known for being well-mannered, a good listener, respectful and responsible. She is aiming to pursue a master's in business analytics.
Aditi, definitely again. So again, I would give this reward to the parents mainly to bring that much clarity in the child, that the child was, very much composed. And she was very clear, she was very disciplined, very well mannered. She is a most insightful student of Catalytic Center. So I'm taking on her behalf. Haya and Shah.
We now have Haya and Shah, who was a student of the batch before COVID, known for being hardworking, patient, honest and responsible. She is currently in her 4th year at MIT, pursuing computer science.
We have Haya's best friend here. Haya didn't come. So I want Ankita. Ankita and Haya, these two are, my God, very well mannered. And they are best example of, I think, group study. They have such strong bonding, Haya and Ankita. उन्होंने बहुत पढ़ाया मेरे को, बहुत पढ़ने पे मजबूर किया. So they came for biology. Later, I think, for the full science. They both are, very hard working, disciplined, and very, very obedient. So Haya, I'm giving it to your friend. Okay.
Aditya Metkar, who was a student of the batch before COVID, known for his sharp wit and well-mannered demeanor. He is driven by clear goals and possesses an innovative mindset. He is currently pursuing electronics and communications engineering at VIT.
Yes, Aditya. आदित्य माय गॉड, उसको बोरिंग क्लास को भी इंटरेस्टिंग कैसे बनाना है, दैट इज आदित्य. So definitely he is the most insightful student. He used to make the class enjoyable. Is very very witty and पहले कभी बीच में नहीं पढ़ा, थोड़ा पढ़ लिया types, but at the end वो पढ़ता है and then he gets the result. He is the most insightful student of mine. मेरे में बहुत changes लेके आया. Okay. Anushka Ghosh.
Anushka Ghosh was a student of the batch before COVID. Known for her extraordinary creativity and artistic talents, she captivates others with her unique approach. She is currently pursuing a master's degree in data science.
Yes, Anushka. Anushka and Nayonika. Nayonika also received the insightful student. What I like about these girls most, दोनों ही इतनी clear हैं. I think that is all because of home environment. Okay, so Ma'am Ghosh and father, they have groomed their children in such a way that they got the clarity at such an early age. Now this girl is very good, at sketching and all. And the whole family is so empathetic. Like they are dog lovers. Abhi they wanted to come. And they said that ma'am हमारा जो dog है it is very old and he needs assistance. So one of the family members stays at home. That's why they could not come because they all are traveling. Nayonika is in Delhi, I think, and Anushka is presently at her I think university or the college. So they couldn't come. Father wanted to come definitely, but because of that old dog, he has to stay at home. So definitely I'm taking Anushka from your behalf. I hope you are seeing, you are there.
Shreya Rathi was a student of the COVID batch who experienced online classes. Known for being grounded and empathetic, she is currently pursuing data science at Wisconsin-Madison University.
Yeah, Shreya. Only COVID batch. I have not met her only. Uska sirf I have not met her physically. She is an online student, ma'am. And this girl is so composed. What I used to do during COVID, online one-on-one viva leti thi. You remember, Soham ka bhi viva liya hai during COVID. So Soham is one of the longest duration student of Achievers. So Shreya Rathi, yes, this girl is so respectful. Abhi bhi main usko call karu. We just had digital conversation, online hi rahi hai, phone pe hi baat hui hai. I've never met the girl. She is in abroad now, and but when I asked her, and she always picks my phone. Even staying there, she always answers. So I do not need any reason. She is so respectful. उसको teachers को कह रही है कि मैम आपने मेरे लिए इतना किया, मैं ही आपका फ़ोन नहीं उठाऊंगी, मेरे पे लानत है. So I don't think I need to say anything else about her. I'm taking it on your behalf, Shreya.
Next, we have Siddharth Roy Mukherjee, who has been studying at the
Siddharth Roy Mukherjee,
who has been studying at the Catalytic Center since 7th grade. Known for being exceptionally intelligent with strong communication skills, he is down to earth and compassionate. He is currently pursuing his studies at Jindal Global Law School.
To be very honest, at times he is most irritating student. My God. He has confused me with so many things. Beginning of the 11th, 7th से ही मैं ये कर लूँगा, इसके plans ऐसे change हुए हैं ना, और इतना जल्दी change हुए हैं, मतलब मेरे को इस बच्चे पे end तक confidence नहीं आया, up to 12th का result, कि ये सच्ची में कुछ करेगा कि नहीं करेगा. 11th में ही वॉज सो कन्फ्यूज इन द बिगिनिंग कि मेरे को इंजीनियरिंग करना है, नहीं मुझे मेडिकल करना है. इसने दोनों लिया, PCMB, इसने मैथ्स बायो दोनों लिया. देन ही ड्रॉप्ड वन. देन सडनली इसको क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं मेरे को तो शायद एडवोकेट बनना है. सो ही इज, बट टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, इसने क्लैट का तैयारी किया, बहुत अच्छे से किया. वंस ही गॉट द क्लैरिटी, उसके बाद ही डिडंट स्टॉप. ओके, क्लैट में भी कितना रैंक था बेटा? 1000. क्या ही यू आर प्रेजेंटली इन जिंदल? हाँ, तो वहाँ पे ये लॉ कर रहा है जिंदल स्कूल में. ओके, जिंदल कॉलेज, जिंदल लॉ कॉलेज, जिंदल लॉ कॉलेज. एंड पता नहीं कैसे खाली एग्ज़ाम टाइम में जस्ट बिफोर 12th का बोर्ड्स ही केम, मैम नोट्स दे दो, नोट्स दे दो. नोट्स लेके गया. मुझे नहीं मालूम है ये कैसे पढ़ा कैसे नहीं पढ़ा, इसके कोई इतने ज़्यादा टेस्ट भी नहीं है, बट ही गॉट हाईएस्ट. नोट्स पढ़ के आएगा, बोल दे थोड़ा सा. Oh, my favorite student. He is such a bachcha.
Soham Rai Chaudhary studied here from 7th grade. Ray Chaudhary, known for being diligent, empathetic, and reliable. He is an exemplary individual. He is currently studying computer science at Carnegie Mellon University.
What shall I say? I don't have words only, ma'am. He is, my God, इतना dedicated. He's so clear. कोई time waste नहीं. He's so respectful, so down to earth. बाबा, उसको कभी भी phone करो, कुछ भी काम बोलो, he's always ready. Till end he was coming to the center. ऐਵੇਂ भी आ जाता था कि मैम ऐसे 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 अब मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, ये कर रहा हूँ. And he scored 1520 out of 1600 SAT score. एंड कंप्यूटर साइंस अभी बोल रहा है मैम थोड़ा स्ट्रगल हो रहा है, बट ही इज़ डेफिनेटली ही इज़ वन ऑफ द JEE एडवांस स्टूडेंट बैच. ही वॉज नॉट going to pursue here, but still he wrote JEE mains exam. He got 99.6, I think, 0.37 percentile in JEE mains. He could not write JEE advanced because he was preparing for SAT, and he was writing essays and all those things. So he is now in Carnegie Mellon. It's so proud to be your teacher, Soham. Thank you so much.
Dhruv Avasthi studied at the Catalytic Center for 6 years. Known for his unwavering honesty and resilience, he is well-mannered and respectful. He is currently pursuing his MBBS at JIP-MER.
Yes, Dhruv Avasthi. Again, 7th May, he was the longest duration student. 7th May, he came to me and he was also very much clear कि मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, पता नहीं न्यूरोसर्जन बनना है कि कार्डियो सर्जन बनना है, उसको वही बनना था. सो मजाल है इधर से उधर उसका टाइम हो जाए, उसको पढ़ना है, उसका पढ़ने का टाइम है. ही वॉज वेरी फोकस्ड. आई थिंक ही गॉट सेंटम इन बोथ science and maths in 10th grade. He was the first student of Catalytic Center who scored 100 out of 100 in science and maths. So it's not about the marks. It's actually whatever you are doing up to your best potential. It is about that thing. It's very, very, very proud of to be your teacher, Dhruv. I don't know whether you are going to come in second half or what. I'm taking now on your behalf. We have other programs also.
Megha Arya studied at the Catalytic Center for 6 years. Known for being deeply respectful and committed to excellence, she maintains a balanced approach while consistently striving for innovative solutions and personal growth. She is currently pursuing computer science at NIT Surathkal.
So, yes, so I was giving notes to every student. Megha ने मेरे notes पे notes बनाए. वो मुझे बोले आई मेड नोट्स ऑन मैम्स नोट्स एंड देन आई स्टडीड फ्रॉम देयर. सो नाउ आई डू नॉट थिंक मुझे और कुछ भी बताने की ज़रूरत है. शी इज़ वेरी डेडिकेटेड, वेरी रिस्पेक्टफुल. अभी भी फ़ोन करो, बात करो. ऑलवेज वेन एवर शी कम्स टू बैंगलोर, शी ऑलवेज कम्स टू मीट and very very well mannered. It's so proud of you, Megha, and I'm so proud of myself for being your teacher. I'm taking on your behalf, dear. अरे पांडे सर, अथर्व पांडे.
Atharv Pandey studied at the Catalytic Center for 6 years. Known for his remarkable wit and enjoyable personality, he is committed and creative. He is currently pursuing BTech in Computer Science with a focus on data science at VIT.
Yes. Very naughty, sir. Very naughty. जो क्लास में इसने न्यूसेंस क्रिएट करता था ना, बट डेफिनेटली क्लास में जान भी वही डालता था. सो बट या उसको फिर डांटो करो जो कुछ करो, फिर जो उसको करके लाना है, ही यूज टू डू दैट. सुबह उसको काम दे दो, शाम तक वो काम फिनिश बाय हुक और क्रुक. सो देखो पता है क्या है, मोस्ट इंसाइटफुल स्टूडेंट वो नहीं है जो ऑलरेडी इंसाइटफुल हैं, जिन्होंने अपना इंसाइट डेवलप किया हमारे साथ में आकर के. दे आर ऑल्सो फॉर मी most insightful student, and actually everyone, I cannot accommodate all of them, but few of them I am accommodating. And if by God's grace, if next year this type of event we can organize, I will announce all my students. सबका कुछ ना कुछ है, मैं निकाल के बताऊंगी, ठीक है, but ढंग से पढ़ लो. Only when you are developing yourself you will get most insightful student award. Ankita.
Ankita Ajit has been studying at the Catalytic Center since 9th grade and was part of the early batches. Known for being simple, respectful, dedicated and hardworking, she aspires to pursue a master's in biochemistry abroad.
Yes, please. It's done, beta. It's done, your processing and all, everything. It's finalized. Which? Applications and all, everything is done. So yes, Ankita and Haya both like very close friends, and yeah, my God, उनकी वजह से मुझे बायो इतना पढ़ना पड़ा. मैम ये कैसे they were both in Amatra Academy, and they teach so much extra stuff in Amatra Academy, so I have to learn more, and they are definitely, so उनके ऊपर प्रेशर था, स्कूल का प्रेशर था, I don't know, but I have grown so much as an educator, I must say. So they forced me directly, indirectly to study more and more in depth. And she's very simple girl, very down to earth, both this very soft spoken, धीरे धीरे बोलेगी, you have to understand, and always smiling. She is the most insightful student. I'm so proud of you, Ankita.
Next up, we have my childhood friend Kashish Kant, who is a passionate young athlete in tennis. Known for her exceptional manners, she is graceful and respectful. She is currently pursuing commerce at DPS East.
कशिश को मैंने शायद बहुत ही कम पढ़ाया है, और मैंने उसको, या प्लीज कम. शीतल मैम इज कशिश टीचर. I will tell what I also said.
Yeah. Kashish, I guess she's my first single one-on-one student that I got, and honestly it was a little tricky for me, but this girl, the determination that she has, ma'am, she'll sit with me for hours, even with her busy schedule that she has, everything above and beyond. She's super smart. She's very, very smart. Girl, I cannot see what you're going to do or what you're going to achieve in all of it. So proud. That's it.
अभी what I saw in Kashish when I was deciding, you know, this insightful student का award का thing, this girl is proper athlete. मतलब जो discipline इस लड़की में है ना, and I have seen athletes are performing way better in classroom than the others. Okay, if you are into some sports, मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि इस sport में कुछ achieve ही करना है. You play something, okay, some physical activity that will improve your focus multi-folds. I'm telling you. Okay, it will be, your intelligence will be squared or cubed. Okay, if you are at least one sport in a week, at least one sport. So Kashish is the live example. I have seen this girl's focus. 3 घंटा 2 घंटा क्लास में बिठा लो, and she will finish the entire chapter, and she will write the test and whatever. I do not know test लिखते कि नहीं लिखते, लिखवाओ यार. Yash parents are there. Yash Verma. He's from Sun City only. Yeah, please.
Yash Verma started studying here in 7th grade and graduated 3 years ago. Known for being simple, respectful, thoughtful, and creative, he's currently a flight systems engineer in a student club.
Yes. उसको भी clarity था. Ritu Verma ma'am, and she's a dancer actually. She's a professional dancer, or I do not know. She has a group, like she's posting videos on Facebook and all. And at home, you know, they are. Her daughter also with me now. Her name is Ashi Verma. So Yash is very respectful, very down to earth. ये बच्चे को भी 7th grade से ही clarity था कि मुझे pilot बनना है. Okay, and then he worked for it. Though he was also struggling, you know, in the subjects here and there, but ultimately he got it. And definitely when the technical part will come, no, pilot ka technical part, he will excel in that. I'm so proud of you, Yash, for being most, you know, for being clear about your goals and all. Yes, you are the most insightful student. I'm taking on your behalf.
Next up, we have my childhood friend Palak Vijay, who was a student of the batch before last, known for her respectful, kind, optimistic, and hardworking nature. She is currently studying computer science at PES University main campus. Woo!
तो सच्ची बताना, तेरे को था कि तेरे को कुछ मिलेगा? Okay, tell me your insights. किसके लिए मिल रहा है तेरे को? तू क्या है जिसके लिए तेरे को ये मिल रहा है?
किसी से नहीं पूछा ये क्वेश्चन.
वो बोल रही है किसी से नहीं पूछा ये क्वेश्चन, मेरे को ही क्यों फंसा रहे हो? Okay, yes. So why you are the most insightful, beta? First of all, you're very kind, very respectful. You create positive environment. कितना मर्जी एग्ज़ाम से पहले टेंशन का माहौल हो, आप इसको हंसते हुए देखोगे. मतलब बाकी बच्चे रो रहे होंगे, अभी भी हंस रही है, उसको हंसते हुए देखोगे. हर दैट ऑप्टिमिस्टिक यू नो ज़ील इज़ देयर. कर लेंगे मैम, हो जाएगा मैम, हो जाएगा. सो दैट एटीट्यूड शुड बी देयर. इसको हल्के में लो यार, एग्ज़ाम ही है, इट्स ओके. कोई बहुत बड़ा वो कुछ नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट ए फेज़. ओके, सो एवरीवन शुड सी. इसकी एक वीडियो बना के कि एग्ज़ाम से पहले कैसे रहने का पोस्ट कर इंस्टा पे, ठीक है? ओके, शी इज़ द मोस्ट इंसाइटफुल, डेफिनेटली.
Now we have our host Yashasvi Kapoor. Yashasvi began her studies last year. Known for being friendly and approachable, she fosters a welcoming environment and is highly creative. She is now pursuing science at DPS East.
क्यों? तू बता, तेरे को क्यों मिलना चाहिए? हाँ, अच्छा हट. तो ऐसे वैसे लिख के. She is planning to you know go abroad for higher studies. अच्छा, बाहर क्यों जा रही है ये बता.
क्योंकि वहाँ की है.
अच्छा, वहाँ के. सपना है बाहर जाके बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ना. So that also, you know, one more very important thing, why students are going, you know, abroad. उसके ऊपर भी एक अलग वो कहीं और डायरेक्शन में चला जाएगा. But definitely what she wants to achieve, that thing is best available where she is going. Okay. So yes, very clear and so positive. मतलब इतना एकदम खिलखिल एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट कर देती है क्लास में. मतलब मेरे को बोलती है अरे मैम हो जाएगा, मैम मत टेंशन लो. इस इवेंट का के लिए मुझको कॉन्फिडेंस देने के लिए यशस्वी वॉज देयर. सो अभी आप सोच लो, अगर मैं इस इवेंट को थोड़ा बहुत भी, अगर आप 2% 5% इफ़ यू आर एंजॉइंग, दैट इज़ 1/4 इज़ यशस्वी. शी इज़ द मोस्ट इंसाइटफुल स्टूडेंट.
Shrestha Dikshit was a student of the batch before last. Known for her sharp wit and friendly nature, she creates a welcoming atmosphere. She is currently studying computer science at PES University main campus.
क्यों मिलना चाहिए तेरे को? पहले पूछना था सबसे एक्चुअली, क्यों मिलना चाहिए तेरे को? आयो, सोचती हूँ यार, ये मेरे से पूछ लिया तो मैं क्या?
अलग से पूछोगे तो मुझसे पूछोगे.
Yes. So Shrestha, my God, she is stand-up comedian. She is stand-up comedian. Very नहीं, she's getting bullied like anything in the class. This girl, इसको वो पलक, सौमिल, प्रीतिका, सब ने क्लास में इसकी जो ली है, हाउ ग्रेसफुली शी हैज़ टेकन इट. और जो इसके दिमाग में ना, मतलब इमोशनली नहीं हुई कि अरे मेरे को बुली कर रहे हैं. शी वॉज थिंकिंग मैं क्या आंसर कर सकती हूँ बेस्ट. शी वॉज नॉट टेकिंग इट टू द इमोशंस एंड शी इज़ वेरी विटी. शी इज़ अ स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियन. और जो ये आंसर करती थी ना, वो आई थिंक मैम से आया है. उसने मुझे एक स्टोरी बताई मैम कि इन्होंने कुछ ना वो मोर की ड्राइंग बनानी थी. इसके और इसके पापा बैठ कर के मोर की ड्राइंग बना रहे थे. तो इसकी मम्मी ने वो ड्राइंग देख के पता है क्या बोला? बिल्कुल गैस सिलेंडर लग रहा है. तो वो जीन से आया है आई थिंक. शी इज़ वेरी वेरी विटी. Okay, yes, Shrestha, you are the most insightful because you are very friendly. You are creating a positive environment in the class. And yes, your attitude. एंड में जो इस लड़की ने रेजिलियंस दिखाया है ना एग्ज़ाम के टाइम प्रिपेयर करने के लिए, आई थिंक शी गॉट रैंक 59 और 60, 49th in PES entrance examination that year. So yes, she is the most insightful. Thank you, beta. God bless you.
Neena Saiju was a student of last year's batch. Known for her respectful demeanor and resilience, she always pushes through challenges with diligence. She is currently preparing for NEET.
You can easily tell. Why are you so insightful? She's saying, just look at me. You will come to know why am I so insightful. This is the confidence. The confidence she has. Okay, मतलब हर एक चीज़ को she can justify each and every move of herself. She can tell, जो भी काम करेगी, जो भी कुछ करेगी with so much clarity. Oh ma'am, and quick, very quick decisions immediately, and that too productive decisions she is able to take. Yes, she was in student internship program also. She handled so many things at the center during student internship program. So she has to be most insightful student. Thank you, Neena.
Sadhana Vinod was a student of last year's batch. Known for her honesty and attentiveness, she is a good listener and empathetic towards others. She is currently pursuing her MBBS at
It's okay.
Leicester University in the UK.
She's in UK, no, ma'am. Ma'am will tell. Ma'am, please tell what is she doing right now. Please come. Sadhana is exactly like her mom. So confident, so clear. Ma'am, please come. Yeah.
She's pursuing medicine in the University of Leicester. The spelling is a little different, but pronunciation is Leicester. So she's just gone there, and it's been a month, and I think she's settling down well.
Very, very clear. She was also in student internship program. So where she handled the test series, she made the test papers, she corrected test papers. So because she has been throughout, I think, so sincere, so clear, and very punctual, very punctual. Yes, ma'am. It's so good.
Kritika Nale
Yeah.
was a student of last year's batch, known for her well-mannered and known for being well-mannered and attentive. She remains aware of others' needs and is responsible and punctual. She is currently pursuing electronics and communications at IIT Allahabad.
Mello. वो बोल रही है उसको दो. मैम आओ, मैम ऐसे थोड़ी चलेगा, वहाँ पे कैसे, आओ मैम प्लीज, आओ आओ. अनीता मैम, अनीता मैम्स डॉटर, वेरी वेरी डेडिकेटेड फैकल्टी एट कैटालिटिक सेंटर. मतलब अगर मैं, मतलब क्या बोलूँ मैं अगर मैं, मतलब इन्होंने कस्टमाइजेशन के सारे रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिए. कोई बच्चा अगर रात को 10 बजे क्लास ले सकता है, शी इज़ देयर. तो अगर किसी को सुबह 6 बजे आ सकता है, शी इज़ टेकिंग. दिन में अगर वो एक बच्चे को एग्ज़ाम से पहले पूरे दिन का रिवीजन चाहिए, शी इज़ देयर. What can I say? Means she has broken all the definitions of teacher. I have to learn from her.
Come on, man. Women.
Not only her in professional life, but still she is very perfect. Superwoman. हम लोग इसको superwoman ही बुलाते हैं.
She is my God.
कृतिका के बारे में भी बोलो.
And all my subjects, she is the one who helped me for everything. All the subjects. What you were saying, she was
कहाँ से लाए हो मैम इतना टैलेंट? एक चम्मच इधर, एक चम्मच टैलेंट एक चम्मच टैलेंट चाहिए भाई. सीरियसली, व्हाट नॉट शी इज सरप्राइजिंग मी एवरी डे. मैं नहीं चला रही हूँ सेंटर, ये चला रही हैं. अब भाई माँ ऐसी है तो बच्चों में आना ही है. कृतिका एंड निकिता को भी इस साल नहीं दे रहे हैं अवार्ड. नहीं, ये टाइम नहीं है बहुत. अभी शी स्टिल हैज़ टू प्रूव हरसेल्फ, शी हैज़ टू इंटरेक्ट विद अस मोर. बट कृतिका डेफिनेटली, कृतिका इज़ सो डाउन टू अर्थ. मतलब शी इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल कि जो तुम्हारा ये कितना जो भी कम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम है ना, इट्स ए गेम ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी, dedicated self study. You can get assistance, best assistance parents need to provide, but it is a game of self study. I must say, आप बैठ कर के कितना उसको absorb करते हो information को. This girl was not moving from the place since morning to evening. मैम हमेशा बोलती, मैम पता नहीं क्या करती रहती है, घुसी तो रहती है, पता नहीं क्या करती रहती है, बट आई नो वट शी वॉज डूइंग. शी अंडरस्टूड दैट इट इज़ ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ सेल्फ स्टडी आई एम गोइंग टू गेट दिस. शी इज सो डिटरमाइंड, वेरी सॉफ्ट स्पोकन, like very grounded, so down to earth. I'm so proud of you. The whole family, like what shall I say, they have joined me, they have chosen me, and they came to me, they have improved me like anything. Thank you ma'am.
Can we have another huge round of applause for Anita ma'am?
Ah,
Okay, now we have Naisa Bansal. She was a student of last year's batch. Known for being attentive and responsible, she consistently meets her commitments and is both diligent and competitive. She is currently pursuing computer science at PES University RR campus.
Naisa. Oh yes. My God, she is NPS, right? NPS. I've seen that NPS kids know they are very disciplined. That is the main difference. Okay, NPS is they will grind you like anything. NPS is such school. So I do not know, but she's she's an NPS student and she's very very dedicated, very hard working. She can stretch herself for longer hours. वो बैठ करके उसको कितना मर्जी पढ़ा लो. हर मॉम यूज टू कंप्लेन कि मैम ये नहीं कर रही है, मैम ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता, मेरे को पता है वो नहीं कर रही है, बट आई एम टेलिंग यू मैम, आपको मालूम नहीं है ये कितना करी है. आई हैव सीन हर. Okay, and just have faith on her. She will do wonders. I can guarantee. मेरे से लिखवा लो, मेरा नाम चेंज कर देना. She can do wonders. Yes. Thank you, beta. God bless you.
Nishchal Nori, who is a student of last year's batch. Known for being a good listener and always attentive, he is aware of his surroundings and is both responsible and honest. He is currently pursuing data science at MIT Manipal.
Yeah. I think Nishchal's parents also have not come. Okay. So Nishchal, very down to earth, very good listener. उसको मैं कितना मर्जी प्रवचन दे दूं, जैसे मैं भी आप सबको दे रही हूँ ना, कई लोग बोर होके उठ के भी जा सकते हैं. जो ये नहीं बोल रहे बोर होके गए हैं, कुछ काम भी होगा. वो मेरा प्रवचन 1 घंटे भी सुनेगा, 1.5 घंटा भी सुनेगा. एज ए मुझे नहीं मालूम सुनता है कि क्या करता है. शी इज़ ए वेरी गुड लिसनर. उसको कुछ भी जो फ्रूटफुल लगती है, विच एवर इज़ वर्किंग फॉर हिज ओन डेवलपमेंट, ही विल सिट एंड ही विल लिसन. So just for being a good listener, I think that is the most insightful characteristic of a student. I'm so proud of you, Nishchal. I'm taking on your behalf.
Divyansha Joshi, who is a student of last year's batch. Known for her optimism, she embodies positive interactions and continuously pushes herself to excel. She is currently pursuing science at Bethany.
ये मेरिट में फंक्शन करने के पीछे दिव्यांशा इज़ वन रीज़न. सब लोग बोल रहे हैं मैम इतना बड़ा कर रहे हो आप, ये कर रहे हो वो कर रहे हो. मेरी पॉकेट खाली करने के पीछे दिव्यांशा इज़ द रीज़न. आई विल टेल यू हाउ. ओके, सो शी केम इन 10th grade, 10th ICSE, and she was struggling with chemistry so much. Physics, हाँ? पर तो उस chemistry के लिए भी तो आई थी. Physics, okay. She came for physics. Oh, yeah, sorry. And chemistry also she started 1 month before the boards. So she was, उसको मैंने ये बोला, जो भी बच्चा ढंग से पढ़ेगा ना, उसको लीला पैलेस में ट्रीट दूंगी. So she did throw out. And then when her results came and she was, how much you got, beta? 96 in chem and 87 in physics. So she was saying कि ma'am, I know these marks are not good enough for getting a treat in Leela Palace. नहीं बेटा, it is. You have done your best. That is what I was looking for. तुमने अपना एड़ी चोटी का जोर लगा दिया पूरा सिलेबस कवर करने में just in 3-4 months. So this treat is for you. ऐसे नहीं सोचा था कि मेरिट में दे देंगे मैम.
Vidath Vinati was a student of last year's batch. Known for being disciplined, dedicated and empathetic, He is also trustworthy in all his endeavors. He is currently preparing for JEE at TCIS.
Yeah, so Vidhat, again, he's very, very disciplined and very clear about his goals. I must give credit to his mom also. She was very clear and, making the timetable and all without, exerting Vidhat so much. Her push was so strong, and but she knows where to end. ओके कब उसको प्रेशर में नहीं डालना है एंड हाउ टू ब्रिंग अबाउट द इंटेलिजेंस फ्रॉम हर चाइल्ड शी नोज दैट सो द ड्राइविंग फोर्स सो दिस इज फॉर यू मैम एंड विधात आई एम टेकिंग it on your behalf. I think she scored in 2-3 subjects centum also in 10th grade. It's so, what shall I say, it's an honor to be your teacher. I'm taking on your behalf with that.
Rutika Nitin was a student of last year's batch. Known for her creativity and deep commitment, she is hardworking and kind, always focused on her goals. She is currently pursuing product design at UID Ahmedabad.
Yes. Rutika, very, very trained Kathak dancer, no ma'am? So I've gone her Rang Pravesham and I don't know how did she balance studies and her dance career both and now in designing. So which type of intelligence she has? Designing, dancing, which type of intelligence? Can anyone tell? I told you about 9 intelligences. Which type of intelligence it is? It is coming in bodily kinesthetic only. The dancers also, dancers and athletes both are coming in bodily kinesthetic. They know how to move their body in proper, postures and who can maintain. It is bodily kinesthetic. So she is one of the example of that intelligence. So I'm so proud of you, Rutika, how you balanced your studies and dance so well.
Anika Agarwal was a student of last year's batch. Known for excelling at communication, she is dedicated, diligent, and brave in her pursuits. She is currently studying science at Narayana College.
रहे थे ना इवेंट के लिए. So she was sitting in the morning. 9 o'clock she came. नारायणा में छुट्टी था एक दिन. So she came in the morning 9 o'clock. उसके बाद मैं किसी काम से गई. I think मैं 4 या 5 बजे. She was still there. हाँ मेरे को पता है. तो खाना खाने गई थी. She went home, but her sitting tolerance is commendable. मतलब इतना उसको घंटों बैठ करके आप मतलब कोई काम करो ना तो डेडिकेशन से करो. शी इज़ वन सच एग्जाम्पल. आई एम so proud of you, Anika. God bless you and I know you will do something extraordinary in your life. Okay. And she was so dedicated. She was struggling in the beginning. Parnika's, I think she took a drop year after 12th. She went to Kota and Kota's environment is not so healthy, but she is resilient. Now she is in which college? वो कौन सा था? भुवनेश्वर ना? नहीं उड़ीसा में. Yeah, Bhubaneswar. Yeah, SUM Bhubaneswar, IMS. So she was so determined, नहीं मुझे लेना ही है college. कैसे भी करके मुझे लेना है. She herself decided. She is the most insightful student. I am so proud of you, Parnika.
Shivani Bulusu was a student of last year's batch.
Actually, the whole family is so respectful. My God, they are so dedicated people and they're so religious. एंड आई डो नॉट नो, पता नहीं वो टीचर को भगवान ही बना देते यार. इनके सामने मेरे को डर लगता है. आई फील सो मच. मेरे ऊपर एक्स्ट्रा जैसे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आ गया. द वे दे बिहेव विद द टीचर्स एंड ऑल. आई एम so proud of you, Shivani. She is very composed and very, very hard working.
Flora Chatterjee was a student of last year's batch, known for being goal-driven, disciplined, focused, and well-mannered. She is extremely simple in her approach. She is now pursuing electronics and communications engineering at IIT Kharagpur.
Sorry. Flora, everyone knows, I think last year she qualified JEE Advanced, JEE Mains, and her KSET rank was 303. Very, very down to earth, very simple girl, very, very hard working. I'm so proud of you, Flora. She just took revision classes. She came at the end. She just took revision classes, and I think she was the winner of last year NAC 2023.
Samyukta Joshi was a student of last year's batch. Okay. Known for effortlessly engaging others with her wit and humor, she is kind, understanding, and possesses a creative spirit. She is currently pursuing humanities at Dean's Academy while preparing for CLAT.
स्लाइड्स का पीपीटी कि उसको साइंस क्यों नहीं लेना है. She was that clear. So you just imagine. So I do not have to say anything. She's very clear about her goals, and she is a kind of social worker, what not activities. She is a humanities student right now. She is very clear. She is the most insightful. इससे सीखो भाई. 8th grade में she has the clarity, और parents को she could convince. अगर पेरेंट्स को नहीं पता चल रहा है, you develop yourself. अपने अंदर क्लैरिटी लेके आओ, and then with full force, explain your स्लाइड्स का पीपीटी कि उसको साइंस क्यों नहीं लेना है. She was that clear. So you just imagine. So I do not have to say anything. She's very clear about her goals, and she is a kind of social worker, what not activities. She is a humanities student right now. She's very clear. She is the most insightful. इससे सीखो भाई. 8th grade में she has the clarity, और parents को she could convince. अगर पेरेंट्स को नहीं पता चल रहा है, you develop yourself. अपने अंदर क्लैरिटी लेके आओ, and then with full force, explain your parents.
Anvit Johri was a student of last year's batch. Known for being simple and honest, he is genuine and respectful with remarkable patience and attentiveness. He is currently preparing for JEE.
So Anvit, इसने कुछ ऐसा बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं दिखाया मेरे को, but the only thing which touched me was, I told you, like, I'm collecting some students' data. I'm asking them to sit for 1 hour with me and tell me what is going on in your mind. He has so much clarity. He, as a student in class, is totally different, and what he is thinking when he is home and when he is alone, it's totally different. So never judge a student by his marks. उनके दिमाग में कितना अंदर कितने deep thinkers हैं, you do not know. So after every session, at the end of every session, I always offer कि तुमने मेरे को data दिया है, so I will give you, I will pay you for that. So I offered money. He rejected. No, ma'am, what you are giving, we can't match it. So this is one. He is the most insightful student.
Tanvi Ritisha Dash was a student of last year's batch. Known for her exceptional manners and thoughtful nature, she maintains a positive attitude and strives for excellence. She is currently preparing for JEE.
Yes, Tanvi, I think what not she does, she's, my God, very, very hard working. Her sitting tolerance is commendable. She's, I think, chess, very, national chess में भी जा चुकी है ये लड़की. She's a chess player. So what type of intelligence you have, beta? Logical mathematical intelligence का example, and she's pursuing in that field. That's why she's excelling in that. Yes, Tanvi, I'm so proud of you, beta.
Of last year's batch. Known for his remarkable intelligence and his sense of humor, he is respectful and creates a positive environment. He is currently pursuing PCM and studying for JEE.
He's very curious for everything. Very curious.
We need a different adjective for that.
Okay, you better find you take your adjective from ma'am. So very witty in the class, and so much positive environment he used to create in the classroom, and yes, very respectful, and yes, I think परेशान बहुत किया है बहुत परेशान, बट क्या करूँ, insights भी हैं थोड़े बहुत, I have to give you this. Okay.
थोड़े बहुत.
Anusha Verma was a student of last year's batch. Known for her composed nature in various situations, she maintains a calm and collected demeanor. She is hardworking and currently preparing for NEET while studying PCB.
So Anusha Verma is, I think, Navita Verma, ma'am's daughter. She is running Sun City Dental Clinic, very close to Sun City. She came for last minute revision classes. My God, this girl is so dedicated. उसको आप कोई भी subject पढ़ा दोगे ना, वो पढ़ लेगी. She can study any subject. Very hard working. I'm so proud of you, Anusha. Yes, you are the most insightful student. I'm taking on your behalf. Navita ma'am and you, she's actually self-studying at home, totally, without any assistance.
Hannah Meher Gupta was a student of last year's batch. Known for her admirable demeanor, she is well-mannered and friendly, with a great sense of humor and highly communicative. She is currently studying PCM and business studies.
Yes, why are you insightful, Hannah? Do you know your insights? So, very respectful, always smiling. She's so respectful, उसको कितना भी डांट दो कभी नहीं बुरा मानती है, but not I have said to Hannah. Okay, but she's so grounded, so respectful, the whole family actually, and the respect they show, no, that gives me, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है इतना responsibility और बढ़ जाता है ऐसे बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए. I'm so proud of you, Hannah, and it's an honor to be your teacher. I'm telling you this here.
The height difference
Rohan Prakash was a student of last year's JEE Advanced batch. Known as a creative thinker and intelligent individual, he maintains a positive relationship and is passionate about his interests. He is currently enrolled in the BTech and MSc in Physics integrated program at BITS Pilani, Hyderabad.
Oh my God, this entire batch. Rohan, Aditya, Soham and Shri Charan. क्या केमिस्ट्री पढ़ाई है यार इन बच्चों ने मेरे को. सो दे वर इन JEE एडवांस बैच एंड रात को 10:30 बजे क्लास होता था, 10:30 to 12. I have to stop the class. They never said, ma'am, can we do it tomorrow or can we discuss it tomorrow? How much ever I could stretch the class, I can. But I have to end the class. नहीं तो usually बच्चे होते हैं ना कि मैम बस हो गया, मैम आज नहीं, आज के लिए इतना बहुत. They are not. They can sit for hours and hours. So best example of logical mathematical intelligence. This is for you, Rohan. Shri, you take on his behalf. He'll be so, proud of it.
and don't go away. Stay.
Haan.
Next is the guy.
And don't go away. Next is yours.
Shri Charan Anand was a student of last year's JEE Advanced batch. Known for being hardworking and intelligent, he is goal-driven in all his pursuits. He is currently pursuing his BTech in computer science at IIT Bangalore.
Yes. This whole batch actually very hard working. They pushed me towards excellence. I do not know, and I'm not an excellent still, but they're in chemistry. Okay, so they were, my God, so hard working. Kya questions पूछते थे, and the discussions these kids have during the classroom, actually, teachers must learn from you. I have learned so much. Thank you so much, Sri Charan, for joining me. It's an honor, I'm telling you, truly it's an honor to be your teacher. Thank you.
Aditya Kayal was a student of last year's JEE Advanced batch, known for being intelligent, composed, and calm. He possesses a strong analytical approach. He is currently pursuing electronics and instrumentation at BITS Pilani, Goa.
Yes, Aditya, the whole batch. He was also, little bit struggling in the beginning with the pressure. Okay, but definitely, so he has achieved it. Most insightful student. He was very, very hard working. This whole batch, Aditya, Shri, Rohan, Soham, these four are my, what shall I say, example. They are, what shall I say, virtues of good student. I have made a video after seeing this student that is there on YouTube, which I call it as the virtues of good students. Please watch it. I have tried to figure out some of the insights which I could see. Because of my limited vision, I cannot tell all of them. So he is definitely, वो जिसके ऊपर वीडियो बनाना पड़े मुझे, so you can understand that what could be it like most insightful student. So Aditya is one of them. Thank you, Aditya. Thanks for joining me.
On the other hand, lunch is being served, so you can collect your coupons and our team will take you to the place. Thank you.